Fiona Owens demonstrating her knowledge of the 10 presidents with our floor version ICM. So, when I call the clock position, you're going to tell me the last name of the president, and you're going to show me the sign language, the ASL for that president. Yep. Do we understand the instructions?
Yeah.
So if blue is always 2 and 8, can you tell me what yellow is?
Yellow.
The clock positions.
10.
Because yellow, just like all the other colors.
10.
10 and... Okay, are you ready to go?
Yeah, but can I sit on my
You got a little lost for a minute.
Can I sit on my ball?
No, because you're going to go to the spaces. We'll do that part later. Okay?
No, not the juggling part.
You don't want to juggle?
I'm bad at it.
That's how we get good at it. I'm
don't wanna
terrible
juggle.
at it. I'm terrible at it.
Me too.
We'll start small with scarves, but right now we're not doing that. We're focused on what?
This.
Set it down, please.
It's empty.
Okay. You got some cocoa on your lips.
I don't care.
Okay. Go to the center, please.
Lipstick.
Go to the center, please. Thank you. Show me you're ready. We're gonna try this again. I'm gonna say the clock position, and you're gonna what?
And I'm gonna go on.
And
Say the other one.
say,
The president's name.
and,
The sign language.
very good. 4 o'clock, please. Without counting in your mind. Try again. That's right. Do you remember the picture at 4 o'clock? Because that's usually the best guide. If you think of the picture before you walk, you'll know where it is every time. Because even though we're not on the wall and we're on the floor, the picture always stays in the same position. Very good. And what's his face? Mad. Mad song. That was very metal. 2 o'clock, please. Do you remember the picture?
John Adams in the sign language is
Number 11, please.
I don't think there's an 11th picture.
Oh! Schooled your mother! Very good. 10 o'clock, please. Do you remember the picture?
Picture was Tyler and the sign was
Oh, look how good you are at this. 6 o'clock, please.
if that's one, then this has to be 6.
That's very correct.
And
Do you remember the picture? Close your eyes and think. That helps more. What you're doing is you're looking at the others that came before it and trying to remember that strategy. And the strategy we're teaching you is to close your eyes and be able to see that picture that I showed you at the beginning.
now I'm just trying to remember what comes after the fishing guy.
That's exactly what I'm saying. What was special about the fishing guy in the picture?
He had a rope. He was rowing. Is this the engineer guy? I believe the engineer guy is here.
That's correct.
Is this the engineer guy?
Nope, we can show you. Come take a look. And then when you are out there, instead of looking at the other ones to guide you, close your eyes. Your favorite one. Okay.
It's John Quincy Adams in the sign
Can you please go to 1 o'clock?
Easy. And the president's name is George Washington, and the sign is.
Very good.
Then you have to think.
3 o'clock, please.
Oh, I know what it is. It's John. Was it John?
Not John.
Jefferson.
Very good. What's the sign language?
The sign language is.
Very good. Can you go to clock position 9, please?
It's Harrison, and the sign language is.
I can't believe you knew that like the back of your hand. Wait, you don't know his name though. Can you
Yeah.
go to
All I know is his name starts with a B.
really? Can you go to number 5, please?
Yeah, I just don't know what to call him. I know his name starts with a B. I want it to start with a B.
Okay, we're talking about 5 now, no longer the back of your hand. Who's on? What is the 5th president of the United States?
Monroe.
Very good. Do you remember the sign?
The sign was.
Very good. Very good. Can you go to clock position 7? Do you remember that picture? Close your eyes to think of it. You had it a few minutes ago.
Oh, it's the engineer guy.
And
Jackson, and the sign language is.
It's pretty close. The only difference is your hands are up. Your
As
palms
soon as you
are
got,
up.
as soon as you did this,
Mhm.
I was like this.
Can you go to clock position 3?
Oh, we already did this one. It is Jefferson, and the sign language is.
It's the letter C with your hand
I
and
did
up.
that.
Oh, I couldn't tell if you were batting mosquitoes off your head or what you were doing.
I was just doing it very in one area fastly.
Can you go to clock position number 8, please? Very good. Remember the picture?
Yup. It is.
Very good. There's nothing wrong with saying guessing
Buren?
wrong. Van Buren is correct. Do you remember the sign?
The sign was.
Very good.
I can't